Hello, it's me. Yo, I'm back, people. To be honest, I was on edge. I thought I was running late. I got rid of all those units that was in the boxes and stuff that I showed you. I didn't get the video, the place where the last delivery part, but I delivered. I made a delivery, so they was fine. So I am at my pickup that's supposed to be going 2 stops in Florida, Tallahassee, Ocala, and somewhere in Georgia. But yeah, we're picking up some of these good old some four-wheelers. There's some four-wheelers. I see some slingshots. So I don't know what I'm getting yet, but they haven't started loading me yet. So I mapped out the whole total run in all. The whole run is literally 12 hours. And you know, you can only drive 11 hours in one day. DOT regulations. They load me fast enough. I could do 2 hours today, which I'm actually 6 hours away from Tallahassee. That's not even that bad. If I do 2 hours, I'll be down 4 in the morning, 4 for the morning, and we'll be good. I want to see if I can make y'all get a decent little view though. Come on, walk up there. Don't give a freak. Try not to curse. But yeah. Yeah, that's that right now. So, you know, they're all over the place and stuff. So, I thought they was gonna be closed early today, but they're not. Oh shit. Are we getting some of these bad boys? We're getting some of those bad boys. Getting some of those. So that's what we got for delivering some of these four-wheelers. We got those to deliver. So, you know, that's that. So I'm gonna get back to y'all when I get loaded. Y'all gonna have to run with me today, but we gotta get at least 2 hours down the road to get these goods off the trailer tomorrow. It's your fault why everything. Look, I want my $495 for my tire and the mud flap. I know it's rubbing a little bit, but it's not bad. I'm definitely gonna change the mud flap soon. It is what it is. It's a part of the game. So listen, I'm gonna sit here, map up some stuff, and we'll be back. Why did sun down my nose? I'm out. I'm back. Look at the time. Look on my disio. Don't on my disio. Yeah. You loaded though. Only got an hour on my clock left to drive. I'm driving this hour out. But let me show you what's going on real quick before I close up the doors. I ain't even got a padlock for this or nothing, but booyah. Shabuya, sha, on style. Yeah, that's what we got. Extracted in too. Take a good look. Oh, okay, man. That frightened me. Okay, I'm sorry about that in the way, but yeah, that's what we got. Literally down to 1 hour on my clock. So we're putting the seal on. I'm sorry guys, but I really gotta. What the heck? Gosh, I don't. Why can't I? I'm stupid. I was pushing the seal in the wrong way. Well, all right. So, evidence that the seal is on. Yeah, we good. So, we out. Right now, people, I'm gonna be honest. I gotta be on the move. I really gotta be on the move right now. Because I don't have no more time. And I need to get somewhere. I need to at least get somewhere. They hold me up. I only got an hour left on my clock. I've been here, if you could realize, for 2 hours and some change. But really and truly, it was really on me, because what happened was with the delay and the tire this morning and whatever. So it's just sometimes it's just a part of the game. Sometimes it's just things you can't control. But here, what's gonna happen right now, people? Your boy is about to take on a piece of the road. We're gonna at least drive 1 hour. So listen, the video done here, so we gonna get to the next video when we dropping these bad boys off. So listen, stay blessed, always put God first. Please just like, share, and subscribe. Like, I see y'all watching, y'all see, I could see, and y'all not even liking, and y'all not even putting a little comment. Oh no, y'all like it, but y'all not subscribing. Just subscribe. Help HBO, help a brother out. I'm out. Oh, I don't know. I don't know, to be honest. This is my first time actually doing these type of deliveries, so they didn't really tell me much. They just. Usually we don't do shit. Oh, I don't know. I help out. I don't know, you know. Yeah.
They used to.
Yeah.
Drivers had the ramps. They just pull up the machine to the thing and hand us the thing to look at it and sign. But.
Oh, I don't know. Yeah, this is, like I said, this is my first time actually doing this.
Yeah, earlier this year they made us buy those ramps.
Yeah.
$1,500.
Sheesh.
Sometimes they'll be with trucks that have ramps and the drivers will do it. Sometimes you gotta supply the ramps.
Okay, yeah, this is actually my first time actually doing this kind of delivery, so they just was like, hey, bring it here.
You keep these?
You can have them if you want. I don't need them, really. Yeah. I have enough straps as it is, to be honest, so it doesn't matter to me, really. Crap, man. Definitely get the heck out of the way of you right here. Oh, crap. Oh. All right. Well, he's about to take this out. That's it.
Well lined up?
Yeah, you're pretty good over here. Let me just make sure. You good over here? Yeah, you're good. Oh, shit. Well, all right. Not too bad. That shit is all right. Shit, man, I give it to you, man.
Dude, so these are all North Stars?
Yeah.
Which means there's a full cab with air conditioning and everything.
Oh shit, that's like a damn bear.
Yeah, they're like 30 grand. Too.
Wow.
All the other ones that aren't full cabs,
Yeah.
they squat the suspension down with straps.
Oh, okay.
And they don't have a cab on them.
Yeah.
And they have 2 levels.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah.
And those drivers, they got some
double, yeah. So they got to come from up at the top.
They got to climb up to the top and get in
Squinch
it
in.
like this,
Holy crap.
And then come down a long ramp. It's like a double.
Man, I don't even like heights, man, to be honest, bro. Holy crap. Yeah, this bad boy is nice. This is nice. It has a map and everything. Now this is, look at it. This thing is bad. It got GPS. This could be a whole vehicle. He said this is $30,000. This is nice. Whew. This is a nice piece of equipment here, man. I'm gonna be honest. And this is just for straight off-roading.
Yeah, like people with like ranches and stuff like
Like,
that.
yeah, definitely.
Like, I went out this morning, like right here in town.
Yeah?
Dude's got 45 acres on the lake.
And just riding around.
10 minutes.
Oh, God.
Like, you don't even know it exists.
I'm from Jersey, so, you know, I'm from the Northeast, so, you know, it's kind of different. We do have some places in Jersey, though, that have, I know people have few of these, but not like how you guys have it down here. This have JBL speakers, too, in it.
It's got air conditioning. It's got GPS, like
Touchscreen GPS navigation, yeah. Oh, man, this is... Radio. Can this be registered on the road? Oh. It could be a vehicle if you think about it.
Some states where you can, but
Yeah. Because if you really think about it, it's a whole car then. If you think about it.
windshield wipers.
Oh, crap. Yeah, this is nice. What kind of engine is in this? What kind of engine is in this?
1000.
A 1000. Oh, okay. I see that's an overhead cam. Oof. This is nice. This is nice. This is really nice.
This one's been outside for a while. Decals are all faded. White's all faded.
Yeah.
I gotta notate it.
Okay, yeah.
Otherwise they won't. That's not obviously not you.
Yeah.
Otherwise they won't pay us.
Pass. Okay, that's what you're saying.
I'm asking.
No, yeah, definitely, yeah. Hey, it's money y'all spend anyway to get these stuff in, so you know.
People spending this much money.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, this was coming from Alabama.
Huntsville?
Yeah, no, Tannersville. No, Tanner, Alabama.
It's like outside of Huntsville. I think.
Yeah, it actually is, yeah. I do see they do have a bunch of them outside and do have some inside the distribution center.
Yeah.
Because when I picked them up, we backed them to a dock and they just rolled them in. But they do have stuff that's outside as well. So
Those probably stay outside for a little bit. You can
Yeah.
tell by the
yeah, definitely.
stickers right there.
And the little marks and the wet marks and stuff like that.
That's not the stickers of where it's used to
Oh, it's supposed to be white,
around the
yeah.
edge.
Oh yeah, you could tell. Yeah, definitely been outside for a while.
Yeah, we had one that's like faded. We had one that was like really bad.
So they give you guys like a discount then, basically.
Now we'll do a warranty claim, and they'll send us new decals, and they'll pay us for the parts and the labor.
Oh, I see. Yeah. As long as there's nothing physically wrong with it. Yeah. This is nice. This is nice. This is really nice. This is really nice. Yeah, I was supposed to be here early, but yesterday up in that area they had a really bad storm. The wind was crazy, and this stuff is light. Definitely. Yeah. Oh, that's bad. They got some really good suspension on it. This is some really good content for you guys. So we got another stop in some other place in Florida. This is Tallahassee, Florida. You got one more delivery, another one. Well, two more deliveries, but the last two is in Georgia. But listen, people, I'll be back. I'm gonna try to get this going, so I'll be back. Well, the first stop in Tallahassee is complete. They just got one. Our next stop in Florida has one as well. We are gonna head to now. That's a bad piece of machine. So I'm gonna get back to y'all when I actually get to the other delivery point and stuff. I'm gonna hit that in the GPS. So I will literally get back to you guys when I get there. I'm not gonna do any videoing that much heading there because I'm not used to Florida roads, and yeah, I'm gonna be watching out for a little bit. So I will talk to you guys in a bit. Peace. My bad about that. Peace.
Era.
again. I'm at the second stop with these machines. Thingy thing. Where's the paperwork? Alright, take it out. It was a whole confusion with the first spot and the. You didn't even want to know. You didn't even want to know. This type of morning it has been for me. How you doing there? Not too bad. This is supposed to be for the Ride Now Power Sports. Yeah, it was a whole confusion. It's just one unit.
Just one?
Yep. Yeah. Yeah, I went to a first address that they had me as, I think is the receiving address, but they said now, it was not there anymore. Then I went to the store and then to find out that I had to come here.
Okay, yeah, we don't know why Polaris can't get their life together. Because they just refuse to correct the address.
Yeah, because I went there and the guy was like, oh yeah, we're a window company now.
Oh, yep.
And I'm like, oh.
We've been gone from there for since probably 6 to 8 months now, and we were there for a year.
Yeah.
And they didn't get the address right. They were still sending people here.
Oh.
When we moved there, we were there for a year, and they still couldn't get it right. So.
That's ridiculous.
I mean, it makes no sense to me. Like.
Yeah.
You would think that that drivers or the dispatchers would be like, y'all need to get this shit right.
Yeah, because because the paperwork, it says that other address where the window company is. And I'm like, all right. And then the only address that was left was the store. And then the guy was like, yeah, we don't have the stuff to take it off here.
Yeah, sorry. I don't know why they can't get life right.
It's another day in paradise.
Right.
Look. Well, that's it. There she goes. Another one down. 2 more to go, but they're not getting delivered till the next day, unfortunately. So, guess they gotta do their lookovers. Oh, this is actually a 4-door. This thing is nice. This is a 4-door. This thing is a 4-door. Wow.
Are these players still on over here? The non-built ones? They were. There is one factory that is. It's an RZR. It's kind of like this. They're kind of just T-tags. I didn't see it as a big deal with them being lumped together.
Whoa, wow. This doesn't have the GPS though.
Alright, sir, have a good day.
Alright, thank you. I just need a
I got it.
alright. Thank you. Have a good day. Alright, so we're all done. Yeah. I can't make the delivery today. I don't have no more hours. But that was just dropped off. Yeah, this place is. This Harley Davis owns some, and then the place where I'm delivering owns some of it too. You know, another day. In good old paradise. Ugh, I am exhausted. I gotta find food. I haven't ate anything all day. This wasn't too bad. The deliveries is pretty nice. I actually don't mind these deliveries. Just the address they gotta get right. Because come on, people. Man. The receiving address was an old window. Well, they used to be there, and now it's a window company. And I went to the store, and the store's like, yeah, we can't take it off. We don't have the equipment. But then, yeah, they need to get that together. Polaris. Come on, man. Freaking running out of time here. As long as we get to the nearest truck stop, we'd be alright. Or whatever we could. I'm gonna use my time as much of as possible. Only got one stop. I think I'm about 3.5, almost 4 hours from the next delivery. And that'll be the weekend for me. Got 2 more. Got 2 more to go. Alright, sometimes these doors act a little funny. Oh man, people, you don't even know. I'm not gonna lie, I love Florida. It feels so good right now. So good. I'm about an hour outside of Orlando. Yeah, I'm like an hour away from Orlando. So that's how that goes. But I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow when we get the next one off. I'm gonna see you. I gotta figure something out. Like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below. Tell me what you think I could improve on to become a little bit better here on the YouTube. Yeah. I look sweaty. I'm sweaty. Yeah, it's hot. It's 90 degrees. Tell me what I could do to get better, please. Comment down below. What do you think I should improve on? What do you think I can improve on? What think will be better for me to improve on? Like, share, and subscribe again. I'll see you guys in the morning. I'm gonna drop these last 2 pieces off. Peace. I'm back. What's going on, people? I'm here at my final destination. Oh man. At the final destination. Let's get the paperwork real quick. What's going on? Did you get some good night's sleep? I'm tired. Good thing this is the last stop on this leg of the work. Don't have anything after this. So personally speaking, this might be the end of the video. Once I drop this, it's most likely gonna be the end of the video. Yeah. So I'm here. I see it actually opened up. I'm at this place in Blackshear, Georgia. Yeah. Oh man. What a day has it been? What a week it has been. Oh, from being late to blowing the tire to all the good stuffs. Oh man. I was looking for something to get on the weekend, but it's Saturday. It's hard to find something right now. I'm gonna be honest. It is extremely hard. So, I don't know. I'm down to the last little bit of hours on my car, to be honest. And yeah, I really don't know, what I might get. I might just chill on the weekend here in Georgia, get some laundry done, organize the truck a little bit, little things like that to start the new week. I was trying to book this load that I got with them. I think it's like the ventilation systems. Called the lady, but unfortunately she didn't answer. So I don't know. Yeah, I guess this might just be it for right now until Monday. Get a full week start. I'm thinking about shutting down somewhere in South Carolina get out of the Georgia area because I'm not seeing too much good loads coming out. So, it is what it is. What can I say? What can I say? What can I do? That's basically that. So yeah. I'm at this place here. Don't hit the dock too hard. There we go.
Check out everything.
So that's it. So let's get these last two itty bitty white talk. I keep forgetting the paperwork. What's wrong with it today? It's that weekend feeling. Just being exhausted. You know? Fix that camera. It's that weekend feeling of being so exhausted, man. Okay. Let's see if we can find someone. Someone just come on here. Alright, yeah, he's coming. Alright, he's going to the back. Oh man, that people. Oh, they're in paradise. As per usual. What's going on, man?
How you doing?
Not too bad.
How many we got?
Just 2 units.
Sweet.
Yeah.
No. They'll pull out.
What's going on, man?
No, the ones that, the only thing we put the four-wheelers on truck forward. Everything else is still dry. Jump in this one. What is it? Jump in this one and pull it right down that ramp.
Different?
What's that?
Right there? You're straight off right here? Straight down.
Yep.
I just want to make sure that I didn't drop off.
This is what it is. Oh, okay. Yeah. I was catching some real raw footage. Nice. One of them off-road bad boys. That one got some big boy wheels on it. This one is cleaner than the other one I delivered.
I've seen some pretty gnarly ones come in.
Yeah, man, I delivered one yesterday, man. It looked like they had it for like a year or so, real messed up.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, these things is sick. I'm not gonna lie, I actually like these things, man. Yeah, these things is brand spanking new. Ah, yeah, no problem, man. Must be sweet to drive that, huh, man?
I don't know if I can afford one.
Right? This shit is pretty. It's like a freaking car, basically.
It's probably $50,000.
Yeah, man. I delivered one. This guy was like, it's like 30. He's like, it was like 35,000. Navigation. It's like a damn car, just off road. Yeah, man. These things is cool. And the one I delivered was only 2. This is a 4-door, so I'm like, yeah, it's good. Pretty good money for this stuff, man. Yeah, man. Solid though. Yeah, this thing is really, really nice. It's 30. Man, look at these bad boys. Look at this. Yeah, so this thing is really neat. All right, man. Thanks, man. Appreciate it, man.
Yes, sir.
You have a good day, man. Definitely. Ugh. That's it. That's it, folks. People, fortunately, I have to let you go. Got some things I gotta figure out. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. And please comment down below. Let me know what you think I could do better. I really try to give off of my videos. Try to my videos to be a little bit more raw and authentic with everything I do with the camera. So that's kind of how I do my videos. But if you need me to improve on something more, comment right down below. Like, share, subscribe. Always keep positive energy. Always put God first. Stay blessed. I will catch you guys back on another episode of Trucking with Storm. I'm out.